Tasi.
A is for apple, ant, airplane flying in the sky. B is for bear, bear waves, a balloon floats by. Banana, banana wiggles and smiles. B, buzzing bee zips past. C is for cat, meows and waves. Cookie, bounces with a smile. Rainbow, colors, a paintbrush swirls a beat. D is for dog, barks happily. Donut, spins like a wheel. Dinosaur, stomps gently with a giggle. Dance, a group of animals do a little twirl. E is for elephant, egg, wiggles and cracks with a smile. Eagle, soars across the sky. Excited.
Jump so high, flower that blooms beneath the sky. French fries dance in a happy row. F is a letter we all know.
G is for goat who dances with glee. Grapes on the vine as sweet as can be. A gift with a bow all shiny and new.
H is for horse, neighs playfully. Hibiscus flower, blooms with a sparkle. House, a tiny cartoon house waves from its window. Happy, all cheer together. I is for iguana, waves happily. Ice cream, triple scoop with sprinkles. Island, tiny palm trees. J is for jaguar, growls softly but smiles. Jar, filled with golden honey. Juggle, 3 colorful balls spinning in the air. K is for kangaroo, hops across the screen with a pouch. Kite, twirls high in the sky with a rainbow tail. King, wearing a crown. Liz for lamb, skips through the grass with a happy bleat. Lemon, rolls in and winks. And lamp, lights up with a cozy golden glow. Or monkey, swings on a vine and waves. Mushroom, pops up from the grass with a smile. Music, notes float through the air as a little band plays. N is for nightingale, sings a gentle song. Night, stars twinkle in a dark blue sky. Nuts, a squirrel carries them happily. O is for octopus, waves happily. Ostrich, large and speed. Oval, like ostrich egg. P is for penguin, slides in happily. Pineapple, present, pops open with sparkles. Q is for quack, a duck waddles and quacks. Queen, weaves with a smile. Question mark, pops up curiously and wiggles. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Rose, blooming bright and red. Rainbow, shining across the sky. S is for snake, slither, slither.
S, reach.
Sunflower, tall and bright. Star, shining in the night. T is for turtle, slow and steady. Taco, tasty and fun. Tree, reaching for the sun. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. Unicorn, magical and shy. Ukulele, strumming a tune. V is for violin, playing a tune. Volcano, rumble and boom. Vine, twisting and green. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. Watermelon, juicy and sweet. Wave, splashy and fun. X is for xylophone, bright and colorful tunes. X marks the spot, a treasure on the map. X-ray, showing bones inside. Y is for yogurt, creamy and sweet. Yellow, bright and sunny. Yo-yo, spin, spin, spin. Z is for zebra, stripy and cool. Sleepy sounds. Zigzag, twist and turn.